Hello and welcome to this exclusive episode, which is organized by TAP Group, highlighting our upcoming event, the Second World Cold Chain Expo, on the 10th and 11th of September in Dubai. I'm Tanya from TAP Group, and today I have with me a very special guest, Mr. Siva Reddy, the Managing Director of GND Solutions. I would like to say that GND Solutions is today a leading innovator in IoT driven cold chain monitoring solutions, and they're also our proud sponsors of this year's World Cold Chain Expo edition in Dubai. In this episode, we'll be discussing the critical importance of how cold chain industry and the technology is reshaping it and what the future holds for us. So, how are you, Mr. Siva? Thank you for tuning in today.
Hi, Dania. I'm very good. How are you doing?
Great, great. I'm very well as well, and I'm very excited to have this conversation. So, to start things off, Mr. Siva, let's quickly understand from your perspective, how crucial is the cold chain industry in today's world, and why does it matter now more than ever in the rapidly changing world?
Sure, Dania. So I would say, as every segment, there are a lot of improvements and enhancements happening towards, improvising the system using technology.
Mhm.
When it comes to the cold chain industry has becoming more crucial than ever.
Mhm.
From life-saving pharmaceuticals to perishable goods, it ensures product integrity, safety, and compliance across global supply chain.
Right.
Um, with globalization and rise consumers' expectations, the demand for precision, visibility, and reliability in temperature-sensitive logistics is all-time high.
Hmm.
It's not just a supply chain in function; it's a lifeline for health, food security, and economic stability. So these aspects. So this is very very important, and there is a lot of the space is required for the growth.
Right, absolutely. And I think all the aspects that you mentioned really do highlight how essential cold chain is not just for industries but for everyday life. And in my
Yeah.
personal opinion, it's actually fascinating how something which is, sometimes considered so behind the scenes, it actually keeps the world moving in today's time. So with like now with rising consumer demand, as you mentioned, for quality and safety, along with increasingly strict regulatory requirements. What would you say are some of the biggest challenges that today's world cold chain companies are facing in maintaining an efficient and a reliable cold chain sector?
So yes, Tanya. So the challenges are actually multifactored.
Hmm.
For example, to start with, lack of real-time visibility, fragmented logistics infrastructure,
Hmm.
energy efficiencies, regulatory compliance,
Right.
and rising the operation costs.
Hmm.
On on top of on top of all these things, but additionally the dealing with unexpected disruptions like equipment failure, customs delays,
Right.
harsh climates, so can compromise the product quality.
Hmm.
So the companies need advanced tools to predict, and then prevent and respond quickly. Um, so that's where the smart technologies like ours come into the picture.
Right. I think those were some real challenges that you mentioned. And to summarize it for those who are listening, I believe that you also mentioned that traceability and precision is an important challenge that companies are facing in today's time. So GND
Yes.
Solutions has been at the forefront of IoT driven cold chain monitoring and for a while now. So could you walk us through how your solutions in particular are transforming cold chain logistics, and what kind of impact is GND seeing on the ground in real time?
Absolutely. So our IoT-enabled cold chain solution provide the real-time monitoring of temperature, humidity,
Right.
live location, be it in the container or the inside the pallet or wherever it is. So we have a technology that can gives you the live location, and we can also give that insights about energy usage across the entire logistics journey.
Right.
Um, so using our ThinkSview platform, the businesses can gain the live dashboards, automated alerts. So we have methodology to send the alerts either through email or WhatsApp, SMS, these modes. And then we also provide predictive analytics and end-to-end traceability using our ThinkSpew platform.
Right.
So we empower companies to proactively manage risks, ensuring compliance, reduce the wastage, and make data-driven decisions, whether it's a vaccine, seafood, or dairy. So these are the stuff that we are currently providing,
Right.
and of course we have been enhancing the features day to day.
Hmm. So that was fascinating to know, Mr. Siva. And speaking of that, you mentioned the kind of solutions that GND is providing. But how is your approach different from what traditional cold chain monitoring systems earlier were, or maybe other companies who are not currently at par as of your business?
Sure, Tanya. So our approaches is very holistic and agile.
Hmm.
Unlike traditional data loggers or systems,
Right.
we offer seamless IoT integration with cloud intelligence
Hmm.
and mobile accessibility, and full-scale automation.
Right.
So our solutions are just very simple, easy to use, just plug and play. Uh, they are very ultra reliable and high
Hmm.
customizable. But most importantly, we offer a managed solution. So
Right.
our customers don't just buy the hardware, they
Hmm.
get a complete ecosystem with ongoing support, analytics, and insights tailored to their operations. So
Right.
that's how we are, little enhanced compared to
Hmm.
other legacy.
Interesting, interesting to know. So, looking ahead, Mr. Siva, what do you think are some of the key trends that are currently shaping the future of cold chain logistics? I mean, a platform like the World Cold Chain Expo is also uh, imagining to have such discussions there, as in what is going to be the upcoming and forthcoming future, how are collaborators going to take part in being one of the important stakeholders of this business. So where do you envision GAD solutions being in the next 5 to 10 years in this business?
So the key trends, including AI powered analytics, the blockchain for traceability,
Mm-hmm.
integration of satellite based connectivity in case of remote areas where
Right.
cellular network very minimal or not available,
Mm-hmm.
and growth and for real time end to end visibility. Um, so so in this case, GND Solution is very confident to lead this transformation by expanding our global footprint,
Right.
innovating an AI edge computing and foreign partnerships, and deliver the scalable future ready solutions in probably 3 to 5 years.
Right.
We envision GND solutions as the global standard in the cold chain intelligence,
Mm-hmm.
trusted for its reliability, innovation, and impact across industries.
Right.
So this is how we are, looking forward to take it into the next level.
Well, I think I personally love that vision, and it's clear to listen from you that technology and sustainability are going to be inseparable in this space moving forward. And also, hearing where GND Solutions is headed makes the future of cold chain sound genuinely exciting, and how different businesses will eventually come to that platform. So, GND
Yeah.
Solutions is a key sponsor at this year's World Cold Chain Expo, as I also mentioned, and it is imperative that we talk about what can attendees expect from you and the team at the event? Are there any special showcases or announcements that you are personally excited about to make at the event?
Yeah, Tanya. So obviously, attendees can expect to experience our cutting-edge IoT and AI-driven solutions live
Right.
in the stall,
Mm-hmm.
as well as we're going to talk about some of the use case and etc.
Mm-hmm.
We will be showcasing our next-generation sensors, the ThinkSpew platform, and
Right.
success stories from our global deployments.
Right.
We are also excited to connect with partners,
Mm-hmm.
clients, and industry leaders to explore collaboration opportunities that will shape the future of cold chain logistics.
Absolutely. That sounds amazing. And I'm sure visitors will be eager to experience that firsthand at your stall. And it is going to be a great opportunity to see how these innovators and innovations are actually live in action. So, for businesses listening in who are looking to optimize their cold chain operations, how can they connect with GND Solutions and learn more about your services?
Yeah, they can reach us out, our website, social media, or directly at our Dubai and Bangalore offices.
Right.
By the way, so we also offer consultation to understand the specific business needs and propose tailored solutions, because not one single product or solution will meet all the the solutions to solve multiple problems. So
Right.
we strongly trust that each every problem is different and solution has to be different. So we are here to provide our offer for consultation to understand specific business needs.
Right.
um, whether you are a startup or an enterprise,
Mm-hmm.
we are here to simplify your cold chain with smart, scalable, and sustainable technologies.
Right, right. Well, it's wonderful to
So,
understand and to see how companies are opening up with accessible pathways for collaboration and to offer the best solutions to each other. So, before we wrap up, Mr. Siva, any final message that you would like to share with our listeners and the audience who's going to visit you and the expo, and whether it's about the industry, your work personally, or I mean, just a personal share of what excites you the most about being part of the cold chain industry and the
sure,
expo?
Tanya. Yeah. So as cold chain is no longer just a backend process,
Mm-hmm.
it's a strategic asset for product quality and brand trust
Right,
and global impact. So at GND Solutions, we believe in combining innovation with the purpose to build the smarter, the safe, and more sustainable supply chains.
right,
We have set a new benchmark where unmatched product quality meets unbeatable cost efficiency. So in this case, we engineered to the perform. We engineered the solutions to perform, build the products to last long, and then price to scale globally. So I would say that let's shape the future together, one smart shipment at a time. We should do it. We could do it together on time, first time, and every time.
absolutely. Very well said, I think, Mr. Siva. Thank you so much for all those insights today, and it was great to have you with me for this talk, and I hope you enjoyed your time.
Sure, Tanya. Thank you, and
Thank
looking forward to meet all of you in World Cold Chain Exhibition.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much.